Where are you building the track to? Yeah, we're doing a straight track.
I'll take that.
Well, it's not straight, it's windy. It's not a circular track.
Not whitey.
Not windy?
That's fun. That's fun.
Okay, what if we make that our entire track? Where's our bridge? I'll get the bridge. Here's the bridge. You want another one, do you?
Yeah.
You want another track? Here's another track. You put that one on there. Put it on the end. Oh, we're going on this end, are we? That's a really good idea. Bring it round this way. There we go. And another one, or are you done with the track? That the end?
That's fun, Daddy.
Another one?
That's fun.
There we go. It's like a question mark.
That's it, Ma.
It's a question mark track. You were doing it, that was going well how you were doing it the other way, I think. You put it in like this. There we go. It's like a question mark track. Okay, we'll build the...
I want.
You want another one? Whoa, oh no! I'd put it on this one. Okay, this is definitely the last bit of track. Pop that one on.